Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Galaxy Station. As you might already know, I am a tech enthusiast and I love to travel a lot. That's why I always try to carry my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 with me wherever I go. But the main problem of a Galaxy Watch is it needs daily charging. A full charge lasts only about 18 to 20 hours, and it's not always possible for me to carry the original charger. I have to bring every time this charger to my traveling wherever I go. But sometimes I forgot. Yes, that's why I have decided to buy a replacement Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 charger. And in Samsung website, the charger almost costs $30, which is quite impossible for me to buy. And in Amazon, sometimes you can get a 50% discount deal, which I think is quite good. But I have an excellent deal to show you today. Before disclosing the price, I would like to unbox the charger first and test it with my USB digital voltage tester. Yes, this is the charger. USB 1, like the original Samsung Galaxy Watch charger. There is no retail packaging. Okay. This wireless charger supports Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 1, Active 2, then Galaxy Watch 3, 4, 5 and 5 Pro. The input output voltage reading is 5 volt 5 ampere, which is way below the original charger. But in my original Samsung Galaxy Watch charging test, I have got a quite different result. Even though this charger is 5 watt, but I can only manage up to 1.6 or 7 watt. You can watch that charging test video of Galaxy Watch charger just clicking in the I button right now on top of this video. Okay, let's test it. At first, magnetism test. How strong the magnet is. This is very important when you are traveling. Yes, this is strong. It can also carry the weight of the charger. I can say it's as light as the original charger. Okay, so magnetism is fine. Now the main thing, charging test. And this is my voltage tester, which I have always used in all of my charging test. My Galaxy Watch only have 23% charge left, so I can assume it can receive full speed charging right now. Time for the main test. The charger is connected. Yes, this is charging. Speed is only 1 watt. It should be a little bit higher than that. Is there any position issue? I am changing the alignment. Yes. Oh, sorry. So it is charging my watch in 1.1 watt speed. Okay, what about the original charger? Let me test that now. This is the original Samsung charger. Yes, the original charger is faster. It's charging my Galaxy Watch in 1.7 watt speed. But the replacement charger, which I have bought obviously from AliExpress, is not as fast as the original one. I am testing it again. It's 1.1 watt. But there is something about pricing. I only bought this charger just for $3.6. Yes, you heard me right. $3.6. That's only 15% of the original Samsung charger. So I can tolerate the slow charging speed while I am traveling. And honestly, I am not disappointed. I am not saying that I am satisfied, but obviously I am not disappointed because the magnetism is perfect. It can hold my watch. Yes, it is charging, it is holding, and the speed is not so fast, but not slow, not so slow at least. So, what is your comment? What do you think about this charger? If you are interested to buy this charger, then please check the buying link in the video description. Like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more charging testing video like this. Thank you.